Today, I'll show you how to do your Bityard crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly. Welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're talking about Bityard and specifically how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about this exchange, then I'll jump into the integration, and then finally I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. Lastly, if you have any questions, I'm gonna leave a bunch of different resources down below for you to check out. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So Bityard was founded in 2019 and it's based out of Singapore. Unlike the other wallet we covered this week, they have a wealth of features, everything from play to earn games, spot trading, derivatives, mystery boxes, copy trading, and so much more. So I've spent countless hours in their menus looking at all their feature sets. It's quite impressive, all the different things you can do on their platform. But that's enough about them. Let's jump into the integration. First step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's completely free and follow along until you're ready to get a plan. Once you're signed in, go into the wallets area and click on Add Wallet. Then we're gonna find Bityard and we're gonna click on it here. As you can see, there's currently no API option. This could change when you're watching this video, but for now, we're just gonna use CSV files. So click Import from File, and let me show you on their platform where to get the necessary CSV files. So on their platform, in the top right corner, we're gonna click on Assets, and from this drop-down menu, we're gonna select My Assets. And then from here, in the middle of the screen, we have Funds History, and there's three different files you're going to get. The first one is the fiat history, so make sure that coin selected is all. Your period is 3 months. I don't think you could do more than that, but if you can, maybe that changes when you're watching this video. You want to make sure to still get your entire transaction history, your entire deposit and withdrawal history. So from the moment you've had this account on this platform till whatever end of tax year that you're currently doing it with. So let's say you're doing it for this current year and you can only get 3 months worth of data. That means you're gonna need 4 different files for each of these menus. So anyways, make sure to somehow get your entire transaction history. Click Export on each one of these options, and then you're gonna take those CSV files and drag and drop them into Koinly and click Import, and there you have it. So once the data is imported, go into your transactions area and make sure everything is sitting correctly with you, making sure that if you have any staking transactions, you've tagged those correctly. So sent to pool, sent from pool. And then from there on out, go into the tax reports area for one final summary of your crypto activity throughout the year. And then lastly, select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different tax reports as you see on the screen before you. For the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax, both online and desktop versions, and I've made videos on that as well if you'd like to check those out. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries. We have the complete tax report, which keep in mind is a document you print off and you give directly to an accountant to combine with your other tax documentation, or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this tax report might be deductible. But that's the end of today's video, really straightforward stuff. If you need further assistance, a bunch of different resources down below. So we have the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. We have a forum section if you'd like to talk to members of our community as well as our staff. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. And then lastly, if all else fails, send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.